What happens when the same contact gets created multiple times in your CRM? In just few clicks, this can lead to duplicate data, messy records, and unreliable AI insights. Let's see how Dedupe automatically identifies duplicates and helps you clean them up efficiently to make your CRM AI ready. Let's start with an example using the contact entity. On the screen, you can see a list of contacts. Notice that Abram McCormick appears more than once, which means duplicate data already exists in CRM. To identify these duplicates, simply select one of the contacts and click Show Duplicates from the ribbon. A new window opens. At the top, you will see the primary record you selected. Below that, you will find all matching duplicate records from the same entity and from the other entities too. In this case, we can see 4 duplicates in contacts and 1 duplicate in leads. Now, review the duplicate contact records and select the one you would like to merge. If there is any record you don't want treated as a duplicate, just click Exclude. This whitelists the record so it won't appear again during future duplicates. Once you have selected the record, click Merge. You will now see a preview showing the current record, the suggested master record, and the final merge record. The master record is automatically selected based on predefined criteria. Basically, the record that matches the most condition becomes the master. This preview shows how values will be combined based on your matching rules and merge settings. You can click Show All Columns to view every field and use Include Same Value columns to see fields that already match along with any conflicting values. If you needed, you can also manually change the master record based on your business requirements. When everything looks good, click Finish. You will be asked for confirmation since merging can't be undone once completed. Now, if you try to merge records across different entities like contacts and leads, the system won't allow it because cross-entity merging doesn't make sense. However, you can exclude those records to stop them from appearing as duplicates. After excluding the lead record, you will notice there is no duplicates under lead anymore, and the contact duplicate dropped to 3. If you want to keep your CRM data accurate and duplicate free, Dedupe is designed to make that process simple. Visit the link in the description to learn more about Dedupe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Dynamics 365 tips and solutions.